Hello. I would like to speak with you a little bit about how we got into this mess with COVID-19. Um, I think for me, the whole thing started in Italy because when we started hearing about all the deaths in Italy that happened so quickly after COVID was discovered in China, I was thinking, wow, how did this get there so quickly? And my goodness, the deaths are piling up here. I mean, what's happening? Um, is this truly a bubonic plague, Black Death type scenario, or what's going on here with this? And I did a little research and found out that that really was not exactly the case. Um, Italy has always been pretty much a healthcare basket case. They are a socialized medicine country, and like many other countries with socialized medicine, their healthcare system leaves a lot to be desired. So, in the last decade, I discovered that Italy had two really horrific flu seasons, 2013 and 2016. Uh, WHO reported, and as well as CDC, that during those flu seasons, um, Italy had a total of 68,000 deaths, approximately 34,000 deaths per season. A pretty amazing number. So, with that little factoid in mind, I updated my research on Italy to find out exactly how they're doing with COVID-19 mortality today, as of July 2020. And I was expecting to find 110,000 deaths, 120,000, or maybe even 80,000. I don't know. Well, it turns out that so far they have a grand total of a little over 34,000 deaths. Essentially the same number as what they experienced in each of the two flu seasons occurring in the last decade. So it occurred to me then that I was thinking, something ain't right here. Italy kind of started the world on this COVID disaster mentality, which caused 20% unemployment. And really what it should have done is maybe caused a change in their healthcare system over there in Italy, because they're really not doing a very good job, it seems to me. They can't handle the flu, they can't handle COVID, but the bottom line is that really, COVID-19 is nothing worse than a bad flu season. So what have we done to ourselves with our social distancing, with the masks, with the massive unemployment, with people driving around in cars with their masks on by themselves? They're living in terror because of what the media has promoted. It's sad what they've done, instilling fear and terror in people just to do what? And that's the key thing. The whole point of this exercise, to me, has been to destroy Trump's chances of winning in 2020. The globalist media knows, first of all, that Trump is public enemy number one for globalism. Okay? Trump is hated more by the globalists than any human being on the planet, bar none. His strength in America has, at least in part, resulted in the success of Brexit in Europe. And boy, the globalists didn't like that. And that they were thinking Trump when that happened. So let's wreck the economy with this made-to-order Black Death virus, which of course isn't the Black Death, but they make it out to be that, and wreck the economy, blame Trump, he loses, globalists win, everybody's happy and miserable just like us. So that's the plan. Go back to Italy. That really was the beginning of the end with our common sense. The media got on board across the world almost instantly when this disease was handed to them on a silver platter to get rid of this horrific president in the United States. That's the plan. That's the COVID plan. And that's my take anyway. So check the numbers yourself. Go back to Italy, find out what's going on. And I don't want to answer that call. Thank you very much. Like I said, do your own research. And that's all I have to say. Thanks.